All right, guys, we are once again looking at context clues today. I'm just going to read the introduction here about our lesson. You can use context clues to figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word. The chart below gives examples of different types of context clues. We reviewed context clues in a previous lesson. Now we're going to get a little bit more in depth. So we have the definition context clue. Superfoods or natural foods that may prevent disease have become popular. So your context clue is natural foods that may prevent disease. It lets you know what superfoods are. Then we have the cause and effect clue. Some superfoods, such as blueberries and red beans, contain antioxidants. These can help remove harmful substances from the body. So we've got an unknown word here, which is antioxidants. We have to look for a context clue, and that context clue is can help remove harmful substances from the body, or the human body. Then we have a comparison context clue. Some experts look dubiously on claims about superfoods, but other experts believe strongly that these foods can improve health. All right. So we have an unknown word, which is dubiously, and the context clue is believe strongly. So dubiously means that you believe strongly in something. Context clues can help you figure out words with more than one meaning. For example, the table below has two sentences with the word source. What does source mean in each sentence? You can use the underlying context clues to figure out which meaning of source is being used. And we do this a lot, definitely in our morning work, where we're trying to figure out which definition goes with the meaning of that word in the sentence. So here we have the word source, two different sentences. Choosing high sugar drinks can be a source of health problems. So source is the word we're trying to figure out which source does it mean. We know that our context clue says health problems. So a problem has a cause, therefore the source of the problem is cause. The definition of this source means the cause of something. The next sentence we have, website myplate.gov is a source for facts about food choices. The website can have information such as facts, therefore a source is something that gives you information. So a source is something that gives you information. So you kind of have to use your schema, your background knowledge to figure out some of these. The sentences before and after the sentence with an unfamiliar word can also hold context clues. We have a big hint down here. I want you guys to look at that. The phrases as a result of, because of, and thanks to all signal cause and effect relationships. Words such as but, do, to, but, to, also, and as well as all indicate comparisons. So we have a passage here with three words, fleeting, empirical, and panacea, and we are going to use context clues to figure out what these words may mean. So I'm just going to read the passage here. Some fads are fleeting, but more than a few people feel that superfoods are here to stay. The idea of superfoods isn't new, but the amount of empirical information we have about them is. Scientific observations and tests offer some evidence that certain foods can help people stay healthy. Nobody claims that these foods are panacea. Nothing can guarantee perfect health or cure every disease, but they are part of a sensible diet. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys pause this video and you can look for those context clues on your own. All right, I hope that you pause and try to find them on your own. In the first sentence here, some fads are fleeting, but, that's one of our hint words, more than a few people feel that superfoods are here to stay. So we've got the clue word here, but, I know that's a huge underline, but we're just going to keep it for right now. More than a few people feel that superfoods are here to stay. So here to stay is your another clue word. Now, fleeting does not mean here to stay because you have this clue word here, but, which contradicts it. So fleeting is not here to stay, okay? They are going, gone. Then we have the word empirical. And the idea of superfoods isn't new, but the amount of empirical information we have about them is. Scientific observations and tests offer some evidence that certain foods can help people stay healthy. So your context clue is scientific observations and all this right here and help. Okay, so empirical information is scientific information. Panacea, we have this right here. Nothing can guarantee perfect health or cure every disease. That lets you know that panacea means that it's a cure-all for everything. All right, so we walked through that together. I want you guys to look at the next page, and you are to read these passages and then answer the questions about what marine means, what clues gave you that, and then in this one you're going to look at the word detoxify and what clues led you to the meaning of that word. All right, have fun. Bye.